Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute Cinderella. You can use markers, pencils, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm going to use a marker to make sure that this really pops out. To begin, we're going to make a J line. Going down and then curve right there and stop. Next, we're going to make her hair. Start right over here on the top and then make our way down. Making a U line. There we go. Then we're going to connect it going a little bit higher and across. Then we're going to make another curved line going sideways. And I'm going to close it up by adding an earring right here. That's a circle. That's going to be a pearl earring. Next, we're going to make the hair go up, making it opposite C shape. And add another C shape. I'm going to start here from the bottom of her face, making my way up. Going curved and up. And make another bubble N shape. Fairly short, right there. And then one more going down. All the way to the bottom of our hair. Make our headband. We're going to go from this curve right here all the way down to the bottom of our hair. And looping it around and down. This will be Cinderella's headband. And next we're going to make another curved line going upward and over. Our curved line reaching from the middle and curving down, connecting to that line right there. Her hair is done. Let's make an earring. That's going to be a C shape. I'm going to make it a little bit lower right here. And now we're ready to draw some eyes. I'm going to make an oval shape for her eye. And then make a tiny circle on the top and a tiny circle on the bottom. And make another oval shape for the other side. Make another tiny oval shape on the bottom. There we go. I'm going to color this in super fast because it always looks weird when I leave it open. Okay, let's make a tiny little mouth. Let's make her neck by making a J shape and come down. Next, let's make her sleeve. Starting from the head down here. And then we're going to make her arm, which is going to have like a weird thin oval shape. Now we don't have to worry about fingers because we're just drawing this way. We're going to make another puffy sleeve and another small J shape for her top. And then a diagonal line coming down this way. We're going to connect that bottom line right here and go downward for the bottom of her dress. And then get another line on the other side, coming downward right there. And a horizontal line right here. And then a tiny line going upward, another horizontal line, and a line going down, and a line going across, connecting both ends. Just show those creases. Next, we're going to make the top of her dress. A curved line here, and another curved line on the other side. Now let's show that there's creases in her dress by making some vertical lines. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're forgetting her arm. So we're going to have this arm go up. She's waving at us. How cute. And another diagonal line. There you have it. Our Cinderella is complete and she's ready to be colored in. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have available to create your masterpiece. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.